Hello students. Today for the revision, we are going to study about the differences between fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy. This is a detailed question from the chapter 1 of Civics Indian Constitution. The first is the fundamental rights. It was derived from the Constitution of the USA. The fundamental rights was derived from the Constitution of USA, while at the same time the directive principles of state policy was derived from the Constitution of Ireland. Then the second difference is even the government cannot take away or abridge its rights. So fundamental rights, even the government cannot able to change the rights. Okay, that means they written some rules and commands in fundamental rights. No, it was not able to change even by the government. Then in state policy, directive principles of state policy, these are mere instructions to the government. That means here the instructions was according to the government. The government has the, if they want to slightly change the instructions or decisions, they can change. But in fundamental rights, it was not able to change. Okay. Then third point, these are enforceable by a court of law. So that means the fundamental rights are enforceable by the court of law. That means it was if any changes was occur, that means if what if that means that we have the fundamental rights. No, if anybody is against that, that means if I am first right is right to equality. That means we all are equal before law, right? And if anybody is questioning us, you should not follow this religion, you should not follow you should not study in that school, it all comes under the fundamental rights. So if anybody is against that fundamental rights, we can be able to move to the court, we can file case against the court. Okay, so for that so for if any persons are forcing us to against fundamental law, means it was it was questioned by the government. So here the directive principles of state policy, these are not enforceable in any court. So these are not enforceable in any court means we cannot able to move to the court. Then this has legal sanction. So the same point, the fundamental right have legal sanctions, while at the same time directive principle state policy has moral and political sanctions. So that means the directive principles are according to the that means if in our state policy, if we have many, that means you like ADMK, DMK like that, no? So the rules are according to the parties, political parties. So if ADMK is in the rule, they will give some instructions, and all that at the same time, if ADMK come to the come to the place of ruling, means they will give some other rules. So it was according to the political and moral sanctions they are giving the the state policy may changes. Then here the fundamental rights, these rights strengthen political democracy in the country. So fundamental rights here, it was the democracy means we all out in the democratic country. So it fundamental right will strengthen the democratic of our country. Then at the same time, directive principles of state policy, the implementation of these principles ensure social and economic democracy. So here this the directive principles was ensure the social and economic, it will based ensures means social means samuha, sorry, so that social and economic means like wealth, it was democratic, so it was based on the social and economic democracy. and these are natural rights and these lead to protect human rights. So this is the differences between fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy. So learn this question, guys. Thank you.